How to make easy honey garlic salmon. First things first, let's get a bowl and put 1/4 cup of soy sauce plus 3 tablespoons of honey and juice of half a lemon. And then we add some chili flakes and we mix it well. Next step, place the salmon in hot oil, skin side down. And then season with some salt and pepper. Cook the salmon for 6 to 8 minutes on each side. And then we add some minced garlic to the salmon, plus the mixture. We'll let it cook for a few more minutes. And we're done. Thank you so much for watching.